They say every road leads somebody home. Mine still rolls beneath these old boots alone. I'm still an unmarried man. Now I'm walking through my 40s. I've earned enough to live all right, a simple life that's good for me. I don't chase diamonds or fancy fame. I sleep well beneath the stars. But there's one thing I can't explain. This searching heart has wandered far. Maybe it's these eyes of mine. Maybe it's this restless mind. Tell me, is this wrong? Is this wrong? Is it so impossible? The woman that I'll call my wife should be beautiful inside and outside. She should have a gentle heart, faithful soul right from the start, standing tall with dreams to chase, wisdom shining on her face. Well educated, kind and true, someone honest through and through. But hear me now, I'm not a gold digger. No, I'm not a gold digger. I'm only searching for a love that feels like home forever. People whisper when I walk by, thinking I don't hear a word. They smile at me, then turn away, spreading stories never heard. He'll never find the girl he wants. His standards are way too high. Their voices fade into the wind. Still I lift my head up high. That I'm searching for someone perfect. They misunderstood me. I don't care if she is poor. Every face I try to know, still my heart keeps saying no. Tell me, is this wrong? Is this wrong? Is it so impossible? The woman that I'll call my wife should be beautiful inside and outside. She should have a gentle heart, faithful soul right from the start, standing tall with dreams to chase, wisdom shining on her face. Well educated, kind and true, someone honest through and through. But hear me now, I'm not a gold digger. No, I'm not a gold digger. I'm only searching for a love that feels like home forever. Listen, people whisper when I walk by, thinking I don't hear a word. They laugh behind my back and smile like every rumor should be heard. He'll never find the girl he wants. His standards reach too high. I hear those echoes every day, but still I hold my head up high. I just trust my heart and I trust my eyes. People keep talking every little day. They laugh behind me, got something to say. Maybe I'm stubborn, maybe that's true, but I won't fake love just to please you. I'd rather grow old than live a lie. I'd rather wait than watch love die. If she's somewhere beneath the sky, maybe she's praying the same as I. Our two lonely roads will finally align. Hey! Is this wrong? Is it so impossible? I'm not asking for perfect beauty, I'm asking for a faithful heart. Someone gentle, someone strong, someone who'll stand when life gets hard. Beauty shines, but love shines longer. Truth and kindness make us stronger. No, I'm not a gold digger. No, I'm not a gold digger. I'm just a man still believing true love's worth every mile. I'll keep walking these country roads with hope alive and one more smile. So if tomorrow brings her smile, I'll thank the road that made me wait. And if she never comes, these honest boots will still keep walking beneath the white country sky.